So again, good afternoon everyone. Welcome to this workshop on introduction to AI with custom vision. So my name is Srishti Thakur and I'll be your guide today as we explore how AI can be for image classification and object detection. So whether you're a beginner or have some experience, you'll be getting a hands-on experience that will be helping you to build your own AI model. So basically, artificial intelligence is the computers doing things that we would normally think of as intelligent in humans. So, what is AI? So, AI is AI stands for artificial intelligence. So, it is the ability of computers to perform tasks that typically require human intelligence, just recognizing images or making predictions and understanding languages. So, basically, what happens is there is you might have heard about machine learning and deep learning and the terms like AI. So what basically is machine learning is like we are like the word itself stands for machine learning. So the machine is learning. So basically what happens in case of machine learning is that it is basically a subset of AI. Wait a second. Okay, so now we can continue. Sorry for something. And basically, what happens is that uh, machine learning is the subset of artificial intelligence. And what happens is that machine is being trained to work in a particular way. And in that case, uh, it learns and improves itself and performs that particular task. And so it is implementing artificial intelligence. So basically, our everyday applications include machine learning and artificial intelligence, like the voice assistants like Siri and Alexa, and recommendation engines like Netflix itself and YouTube as well. And also, where there are certain self-driving cars, not in India currently, but in US, if you go, you can see Tesla and other. So those cars are implementing on machine learning. So they are working on itself. They are self-driving. Also, the Netflix that we use for watching movies and stuff. So basically, what happens is that the search engine is optimized by machine learning models, and the kind of movies we watch. So those kind of movies are recommended from within, from the system itself, and yeah, and also in case of Siri and Alexa, AI is implemented, and this is our sensory input, and this is the model like Alexa. So what happens is that our sensory input, we are talking to Alexa, Alexa, play this music. So the model recognizes how to on the system, how to search, and everything happens from within, and the behavior, that is the music that we need as an output, comes from it. So this is how the model works. So how basically AI learns is that there's a data that is the foundation of AI. So more data leads to better model. So more the sensory input, more do we tell about ourselves or our needs, or the model will get to know that what kind of thing it needs to do, what kind of operation it needs to perform, and so does the behavior improve with time. So more data means more efficient results, more trained model. And also in case of ChatGPT, we see that if we have given our certain data to ChatGPT, so in future it take reference from our past data and customizes its result better. Also, uh, another principle of AI is that the mathematical rules that allow AI to recognize patterns are basically the algorithm. So basically, there is an algorithm that is hidden inside the model that is abstracted, and the user can't see that. But what happens is that the behavior is the result of the algorithm and the training and learning of the model. So what happens is that AI improves over time using labeled data, that is supervised learning. And you might have heard about the term supervised learning and unsupervised learning. So supervised learning is that the data is provided to the machine learning model, and AI improves over time using those labeled data that is provided to it. So uh, what happens is that this data is provided to it, and this is the model, and the answer is coming out of it. And you can see that this is a router. So like this may represent an internet connection, and this is the electricity or charge. So this is how it works. This is how your Siri or Alexa works. And like this is an algorithm. This is based like this is the classification. This is the data cleaning and classification. So there is these data are classified into certain parameters, and basically like I'm classifying that which category is this data of. So this is divided into the categories, like I want to categorize the data into red balls and blue balls. So the blue ones are going to another bucket and red ones are going filtered out to another one. And like as we see while working, if we want to uh, go to a platform or want to log into anything important. So there is many a time we have encountered this, are you a human or a captcha? So what happens is that it is the anomaly detection. So like if you are seeing this set of pets that we can see, so we can recognize it that first of all somebody asked us that what is the anomaly in this. So we will be first categorizing it, like how the machine learning model does is that you can see that there's a dog that sound is coming up, and there are the cats. So first that we would like to differentiate would be the dog is different from the whole herd, that is of the cats. This is the anomaly present. We are predicting that how much regression. So like we can see that this set of data, our data points are lying in this graph at this particular region, and we want to draw a line that bisects the set of data, and that is passing as a straight line from uh, within, and this is containing the volume of all the data, and this is the weighted average, and this mapping is done as a cumulative like bisection of this data points, and this is graphed in such a way that this is giving us the basic idea of what is happening here. And next is what next. This is reinforcement learning. So what happens is in case of reinforcement learning, that data is trained again and again on the machine learning model, uh, such that it learns to behave in that particular way. Like, we solving various problems on data structures and algorithms in code. So what happens is that we are practicing again and again. That's learning how to do that. So that is a kind of thing. Next is this data structure clustering recommender. So what happens is we are grouping the set of data into two parameters. So what is there like these are the young people, as you can see, something else. So we are basically clustering or recommending. So it's all enabled by machine learning, as I said. So what's the difference? The overall field of AI includes machine learning. So as I already said that machine learning is a subset of AI and AI is a superset of machine learning. Machine learning comes under artificial intelligence. So artificial intelligence very broad term as you can say that it contains many other things as well. So machine learning is part of it. And what happens is that the use of neural networks and deep learning. Uh, so basically, deep learning is a subset of neural networks, and neural networks is again a subset of machine learning and machine learning of artificial intelligence. So what happens is that machine learning is a subset of AI, and it often involves certain models either built from scratch or built using pre-trained models. So what happens is that uh, machine learning is I already said that there are models that are trained or they are coming pre-trained, and in that case the machine learning uh, supervi- supervises it and the data and it learns from it, and these fields encompasses both computer science and mathematics in various degrees. So also like uh, we if you want to learn machine learning with AI, we need to learn two subjects. We need to dive into two subjects, that is mathematics for statistics and probability or anything, and computer science also to implement those calculations. So this is a major principle of machine learning. Like first thing that happens in machine learning is classification. So the model just classifies the data once it comes in it. So the all the red data, as you can see that the red ones are coming into a particular bucket and the blue ones are going into some other bucket. And like we are introducing custom vision. So we can see that how many Coca-Cola bottle cans are there in how many cans. You can see the label of Coca-Cola or Red bottle. So you can do this. You can tag these. And if you want to know that how many uh, cans are a mixture, like this is only containing Coca-Cola. Uh, this is only company, and this also this is only Pepsi. So this is a mix. This is a mix. So you want to tag them as a mixture. And what happens is that your own custom vision model is steps. So basically, we are having a model and we are training it, and then it is evaluating us the results. So in the first case, we were uploading our and labeling our images. So there were certain images like those of that Coca-Cola cans and Pepsi cans. So we were uploading them and we were training the models, and then we were evaluating, we are getting the evaluated results. So these are classified as the things that we need classified to. And so basically, I would also like to discuss some of the real world AI applications. Uh, So as you already uh, that my variable and typically some of the real world AI applications that AI applications. So what happens is first you can apply it in healthcare. Second, also apply it in the third is you can apply it in security. Third application what happens is that you might have heard about some AI powered diagnosis and medical image analysis or case of cancer, in field of cancer, there is a cancer detection model. The cells are detected using uh, computer vision and all the cancer causing cells are already detected and uh, then the diagnosis takes place and also the image analysis done by using computer vision. Uh, all the cancer causing cells are classified. Then there is our detail. We are getting personalized shopping recommendations. Like we are like there is a website, e-commerce website, and I want to uh, pair like I am buying a t-shirt, and there is a recommendation that is given to me like you can pair this t-shirt with this joggers or any uh, Pepsi or cargo pants. So they are giving me the recommendation as matching to some other celebrity that is having similar physical features as like any tall person wearing these set of shorts and cargo and you can style it with this purse or anything handbag or anything coat or bag. And next is security. So also in case of cyber security, um, see the presence of AI nowadays. And what happens is in daily life, you can see we go to schools and colleges or offices. So there is a detection camera that is there. We need to put our eyes and our or our face. So our face is detected and we are getting our attendance. So in my school, it used to happen that before the lift, we used to have this detection camera and we used to place our finger or eyes or face and there we were detected. So it takes our uh, images and also some of the AI core concepts that I would like to discuss. Like uh, first would be as we discussed classification. So AI core concept And first one would be classification. Next is regression, as we saw. Next is anomaly detection. Next is clustering and prediction system. And the last one is so in this classification happens is that we are categorizing the data to predefined labels. So this is our data and are classifying it into labels so all the 12 and all the circles will be there. And like our for example that our AI recognizing if a picture contains a dog or cat as I showed also. And in case of regression what happens is that we are predicting numerical values and predicting next is like predicting numerical value. One of the example would be historical data plotting. So for predicting numerical value, all you need is previous data. So the prices of stock in 10. So in the first year was this, second year was this, third year was this, and what was the year? You can predict this in the graph itself. They have comparison based on that. Can check unusual patterns and like fraud detection bank and detect suspicious transactions that need documentation. Clustering and reputation. So basically we are grouping similar data without predefined limits are not grouping similar data points without without predefined labels. And the last one being reinforcement learning. So in case of reinforcement, AI learning is learning through rewards and punishment. here. Basically, creating a custom vision model. So happens is, uh, as we can see, probability in AI. So no model is perfect. The probability indicates how correct the model answer is. So all the models represent a closest because and there's always some level of uncertainty and proving accuracy and we are performing a prediction. So after the model is trained, you can make prediction to determine classification matches the image and installing that required package. So your custom vision has an SDK available, the pipes for prediction, also on the appropriate key value to call your ID name as the key password and perform the prediction using the executive of the image to the online prediction. So what is basically happening? Like now that we understand the AI fundamentals, so I would like to introduce Microsoft Custom Vision. So this is a powerful AI tool for image classification and object detection. So what is basically custom vision? So what is this custom vision? So like custom vision is a cloud-based AI service that would be allowing you to build custom image classification models. And unlike pre-built models, custom vision lets you train your AI on your own data set so that you would be recognizing the specific object. So our like what happens is that the use cases of this custom vision would be like retail, identifying products on store shelves, and healthcare. So we will be detecting the disease from medical images, and last one would be in case of manufacturing, would be quality. There would be quality control in factories. So I can help with this. Uh, so let us go to the Azure custom view, right? So this is our Azure. Yeah. Right. I'm creating. Charging some price. So basically, we can uh, create a prediction or training model, and in future subscription here you can mention your region and if you want to train the model. And I have also trained it before, and here would be your model or journey. you can enter your screen title and you set up your network that has alright. So I can tell you that what happens is what we are doing is uploading and labeling images. And like, the conditions would be upload at least a day. Okay. Okay. Next is label each image with some meaningful tag. As I showed you here at the top. There is basically tag option and each image would be containing a specific tag. And then we're training the model. So there is this screen option and you would be clicking this and you would selecting quick training and this is our quick training mode that we are switching on and then this model would be learning from labeled model uh, from labeled then would be evaluate the model. So you would be checking the accuracy method that would be called check accuracy and this is basically like checking the precision and default probability and then running a test with an unseen image. So that is our model will be trained Like if you want to run some prediction pattern, so what to that time? So install Azure software service and so my fun is because of because the Python is not installed right now, but as the Python installed in the system, so I just need to run command and this is how the installation would progress and basically you will be then loading the API keys and so from the uh, from like, from Azure from the services vision, custom vision, protection, control, custom vision, right, and uh, automating application, and don't I need the credential and writing code Mm, Prediction. Not prediction. Then the predictor equals custom vision. Prediction client. Like the custom prediction. Join point. So this is how to use the API key and model. One file where would be making the prediction. So with open H and we launch it R R and then equals to predictor dot predictor not classify. Let's do predictors of class project image dot. So let's just for prediction. Predict 2050 is what is F dot F. So this is how we make a prediction. After this, the AI will be returning a probability score for each category. So the higher the score, the more confident the model is in its prediction. So this would be the like that you can also test your own images uploading into the repo, like you are a repo on GitHub and you are updating the test image, and this would be opening, make a prediction file would be opening it, and our model our custom vision prediction. So this is it. So I would like to give you an exercise on using this custom vision model at home. Please, I would like to wrap up this session. So thank you so much for joining. It would be great that you test your own images on this custom vision API of Azure Custom Vision, and you share your tested result and output as a screenshot on LinkedIn and tag me. Also, if you have got any questions, you can ask me. In the future, I would like you to go to the Azure Custom Vision documentations that are available on the Microsoft Learn website, and also Microsoft AI fundamental course that is also available on the Microsoft Learn platform to the training. So if you would like to get a customized slide deck or a GitHub repo with sample code, you can also message me on my LinkedIn. I will provide you with the same. Also, you can check out my video on YouTube itself. I will be uploading it. So thank you so much. This is it. Thank you guys for joining. What is good on the chat. So I'm not questions.